Hello and welcome to Spec, a guide for automotive. Hello everyone. In today's video, from reduced fuel efficiency to increased chances of a blowout, we're going to discuss the serious risks associated with driving on underinflated tires. What do you mean by underinflated tires? When the tire pressure falls below the manufacturer's recommended level, the tires are said to be underinflated. Tire pressure naturally decreases over time due to air permeation through the rubber, temperature changes, and minor leaks. Unfortunately, many drivers neglect regular tire pressure checks, leading to underinflation. Many drivers operate their vehicles with underinflated tires either because they're unaware or indifferent to the dangers of driving on them. The risks of underinflated tires. Driving on underinflated tires is dangerous for both the car and the driver. Let us discuss some of the risks. Risk of blowouts. One of the most severe risks of driving on underinflated tires is the increased likelihood of blowouts. When tire pressure is too low, more of the tire's surface area comes into contact with the road, causing excessive friction. This friction generates heat, which can weaken the tire structure and lead to a blowout. A blowout at high speeds can cause a loss of control, leading to potentially catastrophic accidents. The sudden and violent turbulence and loss of control a blowout can cause is an immense danger to the driver and other vehicles on the road. Compromised handling and stability. Underinflated tires negatively affect your vehicle's handling and stability. Low tire pressure causes the sidewalls to flex more than they should, reducing the tire's ability to maintain its shape during turns. This results in a sluggish steering response and diminished cornering stability. Being able to react quickly is imperative when driving. So if underinflated tires compromise the stability and handling of the vehicle, it could lead to accidents and collisions that would have otherwise been avoidable. Extended braking distances. Proper tire pressure is essential for optimal braking performance. Underinflated tires have a larger contact patch with the road, which increases rolling resistance and makes it harder for your vehicle to stop quickly. When driving, the difference between a collision and a close call can be as narrow as just a few inches of braking distance. Maximize your vehicle's ability to stop with properly inflated tires at all times. Poor fuel efficiency. Driving on underinflated tires can also hit you where it hurts most, your wallet. Low tire pressure increases rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder and consume more fuel. Uneven tire wear and reduced lifespan. Underinflated tires wear out more quickly and unevenly than properly inflated ones. The added friction from a larger contact patch causes excessive wear on the tire's edges, leading to premature tread wear. This not only shortens the lifespan of your tires but also compromises their performance and safety. Signs of underinflation. Drivers should watch out for the signs of underinflation. Visible tire deformation. Underinflated tires look flatter and wider than properly inflated ones. Check for noticeable sagging or bulging on the sidewalls to determine if your tires need attention. If you're unsure about the tire's inflation, double-check with a tire pressure gauge. Uneven tire wear. Underinflated tires will cause uneven tire wear, so drivers should examine their tire wear frequently. Inspect the tread for uneven wear patterns, particularly along the edges. If you notice significant discrepancies, it may indicate underinflated tires. Dashboard warning light. Most modern vehicles come equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, that alerts you when tire pressure is too low. Keep an eye on this warning light and take immediate action if it appears. If your car doesn't have one, consider having an aftermarket TPMS installed. Reduced handling. Proper tire pressure is crucial for maintaining optimal handling and performance. So, if your vehicle feels less responsive or sluggish, it could be a sign of underinflated tires. Frequent refueling. If you notice that you're refueling your vehicle more often than usual or your car's fuel economy monitor shows a drop in efficiency, the culprit could be the tires. Double-check your tires and inflate as needed to see if that brings your fuel economy back to normal levels. Preventive measures. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Use a reliable tire pressure gauge to ensure accuracy. Refer to your vehicle's owner manual or the sticker inside the driver's door for the recommended tire pressure levels. Thank you for watching.